our channel. So today is the day. I have really wanted to do this for a very long time as usual. So today we are going to play some BuzzFeed quizzes. I found this game when I was in class 6 and one of my friend introduced this game and she was like, Avalika, there is something known as BuzzFeed quiz. Do you want to play? Let's find our personality. Oh god. And we were so excited while playing this game. Like, what's your personality? What's my personality? Let's find out who will be our soulmate. Let's find out what is our favorite color. We were so curious to know each other's personality and our hobbies, favorite things. So I know this is a brainless game, but this is so much fun to do and I really enjoyed finding the results and like meaningless results. So today, again, I will be playing this game with all of you. So without further ado, let's get this video started. So I'm here with my phone and let's go. So first one is, make an outfit and we will tell you which never have I ever character you are. Pick a shirt. I love turtleneck, but I also love a cute cropped tank. I think I will go with a cute cropped tank because it's a little more comfy than turtleneck and I love to wear comfortable and loose clothes. So yeah, a cute cropped tank. Next, pick some bottoms. Okay, anything baggy. I will just go with my style. Yeah, anything baggy. Next, pick something to keep you warm. Okay. I'm confused. I'm really confused in this one, but I will just go with a big long jacket. Yeah, I will just go with a big long jacket. Okay, now some shoes. My favorite thing. I love to wear shoes and I have so many collection of shoes. Everything is fine with me. I mean, I love to wear heels. I love to wear heel boots. I also love to wear Vans. Yeah, I'll just go with Converse because it's my type. Finally, choose an accessory. I love accessories. Just look at me. Just look at me. I'm filled with accessories. So I'm obsessed with accessories. Okay, I'm obsessed. So I will just go with bracelet and here it is. Okay, so I have my results with me. Ta-da! So I got Fabiola and you really try to fit in, but deep down you are a total nerd and that's not a bad thing. You will always stand up for what you know is right, even if it can get you in a lot of trouble. I mean, this is so relatable. I mean, yeah, this is really relatable because I know that deep down I am a nerd. I mean, it's true, I know that. And the next thing is also correct because if I feel that something is right and I should prove that, then I literally give my everything to prove that this is right and I really stand for that. So this is also a right part. And yeah, for proving that I really get into a lot of trouble. So these facts are really correct. I don't know how, but yeah, I know about myself. At least this much I know about myself. And the next is, you are a pretty reliable friend. I mean, I don't know about that. Oishi can answer this if I am a reliable friend or not. But I think at this point she will say that no, she's not a reliable friend because recently I've pranked Oishi and she's totally upset with that and she's very angry. I mean, yeah, she's very angry about this fact where I said that I have a boyfriend, where in real life I was really not having a boyfriend, but I said that I was having a boyfriend. Okay, so the next one we're gonna play is, this may seem impossible, but I can guess your BTS bias based on the house you build. First of all, I'm an OT7 and I love all of them equally, but recently I'm really into one of the members of BTS. So let's see if this technology can really detect my bias right now or not. First, choose an exterior. Okay, oh my god, these are beautiful. I'll just go with the second one. Choose a living room. Okay. I'm really bad at choosing. I mean, I'm really bad at choosing. I will just go with the seventh one. Choose a kitchen. Okay. Go with the second one. Choose a bathroom. Of course, I want a bathtub in my bathroom. So I'll just go with the fifth one. Choose a bedroom. Okay. I will go with the fifth one. Choose a novelty room. Okay. I will go with theatre, home theatre, because oh my god, I can watch movies and BTS in my home theatre. I also wanted to go with a recording studio because I'm choosing a BTS bias and they're into music, so they really need a recording studio. But still, I will go with the theatre, home theatre. And finally, choose a furnishing to make it feel like home, of course. I will just go with fancy lightings because it's my thing. Okay, done! Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god. Actually, I need to be honest, to be very honest, I'm not kidding. I'm really not kidding, but nowadays I'm really into Suga and J-Hope, both of them. A few days back, I was really into RM, but nowadays I'm totally into Suga and J-Hope. I mean, this is perfect. How can they even guess my bias? This is random. I mean, this is wrong. Suga. You are a Suga stan. Maybe it's his lyricism that gets to you, or maybe it's his introspective, rational thinking that comforts you. Regardless, it's clear he means a lot to you. Of course, all of them seven of them means really a lot to me. So let's go to the next round. So maybe Suga is my soulmate or something. Oh my god. So in my real life, I'm really not into dating or finding a boyfriend, or I want to be in a relationship right now. But for today, I can find a boyfriend or my soulmate in BuzzFeed, right? So this terrifyingly accurate quiz knows what your soulmate looks like. I don't think so, but let's just try it. How often do you floss? I think twice daily. Okay. Pick a smell you absolutely love. I'm confused between gasoline, rain and ocean breeze. I will just go with rain. I will just go with rain because yeah. What's the single most important quality for your SO to possess? I think we all want our soulmate to have empathy, kindness, honesty and loyalty, okay? These 4 aspects are really important. I mean, really important. To accept that, I will just go with a sense of humor. Pick something cheesy to eat right now. Of course, for me it will always be pizza. I mean, I totally love pizza. I mean, yeah, pizza. Okay, next. It's late and out of the blue, your ex texts you. What are you doing? How do you respond? I don't have an ex first of all, so I don't know. I will just say, hi. I don't know. Pick a pattern. Okay, I totally love these things. I will just go with the first one because it's cute. Okay, next. Bad quality, huh? Okay. So, controlling. I think people can be controlling. Even I am controlling at a certain point. I mean, at a certain point, it's okay. It's fine with me. Dumb, totally. It's fine with me because I'm also a dumb person. So I don't mind being a dumb. Stubborn. I am also a stubborn person. So if my soulmate is also a stubborn person, it's completely fine with me. Messy. These are all. It's like I am reading about myself. Okay. These are like my qualities. Messy is totally fine because we can clean it up together. Cleaning together is a good thing. Humorless. Even I don't think I'm a humorous person, so I think he can be also humorless. I have no problem with that. Secretive. No, not at all. I just don't want him to be secretive. I mean, I want to be in a relationship where we can be comfortable, we can spend time together, we can talk with each other freely, and there should be no secret between us. So no, I will not go with, I don't want a person who is very secretive. I really don't want my soulmate to be secretive, so I will go with secretive. Next. Now, what bad quality is a total deal breaker? Okay. Bad at listening. I am also bad at listening. You know, I think at a certain point, jealousy is good. I know this is funny, but yeah, for me, I think at a certain point, jealousy is good. Jealousy is totally fine with me. Even lazy is okay. I'm a very lazy person myself, so I cannot just judge people that you cannot be lazy. Selfish. I don't want to be selfish. But sometimes being selfish is good. I don't know why, but I personally feel that sometimes being selfish is good. So I will just go with the fifth one. Okay, this terrifyingly accurate quiz knows what your soulmate looks like. I think I am 5'5", so he can be 6. Green eyes, light brown hair. Oh my god. I will be blessed to have such a soulmate. I mean, I am happy with this result. Very happy with this result actually. Oh my god. I'm blushing. I don't know why I am blushing. This is so stupid. Okay. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Can we guess when you will meet your soulmate? Okay, what's your favorite color? Purple. I will always go with purple or black. What do you look for in a partner? I am not a intelligent person, so I will just go with intelligence so that we can balance with each other's life. Yeah, I will just go with intelligence. Okay, what's your favorite animal? Of course, it's a dog. Lastly, what's your favorite school subject? History. I love history. I know that for some of you it's a boring subject, but I am a complete history freak. I love history. Okay, I love you. Oh my god, this is cute. Can we guess when you will meet your soulmate? Let's see. You already know them. Your soulmate is someone you already know. Open your eyes, they are right in front of you. What?
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
No one is right in front of me. My soulmate is a ghost?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
This is scary, oh my god. This is 1:40 at night and this is scary. Why will you give such a creepy answer? Okay, I really believe in ghosts and spiritual powers and all. So I am scared right now. I think my soulmate is a ghost. So yeah guys, this was the end of this video. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video, and without further ado, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get all kind of notifications as soon as we post our videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!